Ooh, that's nice. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. My name is Ivan and today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on the Mercedes Benz W210 E300 turbo diesel. These cars have the om606 engine, and a good thing that I like to do when I get a new car is to change the air filters. I change a bunch of stuff, but today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter, and then I'm going to write it down in the binder of this car that came with it, made by a German who was also an engineer. Look at that. It also has a picture of the car and all the records from you. Even though he was the second owner, he put the first owner's receipts in the binder. But I am rambling, so let's go under the hood, pop it open, and see how we can replace the filter on this W210. Alright, here is the famous om606 engine, and we're using MAN filters. I believe MAN is what supplies the OEM filters for Mercedes, or I could be wrong. Let me know in the description below, but these are great, come from FCP Euro and have lifetime warranty. So in 20,000 miles or 25,000 miles, whenever I decide to replace it again, I order a new one, ship this bad boy back in, and get a refund for the new filter. So this right here is the air filter housing. We're just gonna pop it open. 1, 2, 3. This is your mass airflow sensor. Don't unplug that while your engine is operational, or you'll get a check engine code. Ask me how I know. Alright, great. Here is the filter. I have not undone this. 5 clips right here, 6 clips on all 6 sides, and that right there is the old filter. Let me set you down on the engine. With all the clips undone, we're just gonna put the little shroud to the side and get the old filter out. Get the new one in. Here is a quick comparison, new, old. I should probably take a picture for the thumbnail. And we're just gonna pop the new filter right in. Always make sure that your filter is seated correctly, so when you close it makes a nice tight seal and no debris end up in your turbo and in your engine. Alright, so we're gonna lock back the 6 clips that are tightening the air box. Alright, and we're good. There we go, that's the old filter. And this is how quickly and easily you can replace your own engine air filter on the om606 on your Mercedes Benz E300 diesel. Very simple job, took actually less than 5 minutes. So if you guys want your engine running nice and smooth with nice clean air in it, go ahead and do that. If you like today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up for a lot more videos like this to come, and stay tuned for the future episodes. Subscribe, because we're getting more power out of this 606. How? Well, you have to be subscribed so you know and watch the next video. Bye.